Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I make my press-ons last over 3 weeks. So without further ado, let's just get straight into this video. Here are some of the items you're going to need for this tutorial. You are going to need your false nails. I got those from Shein, a nail file, some crystals, a top coat, and a cuticle stick, also your nail glue. Now I got all this stuff from Shein, so y'all need to get on there and get all this stuff for cheap. You're going to start off by pushing back your cuticles with the cuticle stick, and you're going to do this to all of your nails. Once all of your cuticles are pushed back, you're going to take your nail file and you are going to buff the surface of your nails. Now this step is very important. Do not skip this step. You want to remove any shine from your nails. This is going to help the false nails stick a lot better. I used to always skip this step when I would apply false nails, and I would wonder why my nails would never stay. Super important to get all of that shine off of there before you apply the false nails. Now after you're done buffing all your nails, you're going to use some rubbing alcohol. This is going to get rid of any oils, any moisture that's on your nail, and it's going to help those nails really stick on there for a long time. Now we are going to take our nails and we're going to basically size it, try it on our fingernails and see which nail fits on which nail. And once you figure that out, you're going to line your nails up in a row. That way it'll be a lot easier to apply them. So I'm just sizing the rest of my nails and lining them up, and when I'm done, I'm going to do the same thing for my other hand. So we're going to be using nail bond to apply our nails today. This is my favorite nail glue. You can get it at Amazon. And the rest is self-explanatory. You just paint the nail glue on your nails and find the matching nail and glue it on there. You want to press it on there for at least 30 seconds very firmly to make sure it's down good, and you're going to do the rest to the rest of your nails. Now that our nails are nice and filed, we are going to take our crystals and get them ready. We're using this Kiss nail glue, but you can use whatever nail glue you want. And you're just going to take a little dollop or a little glob and apply it wherever you want to put down your crystals. I really didn't have a method for how I wanted to apply my crystals. I just kind of freestyled it. You can really have fun with it and do your nails however you like. So now that you're done applying those crystals, it's time to add that top coat for a little glossiness. But this is pretty much the finished look, you guys. Let me know if you like this look. And if you want more videos like these, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Let me know in the comments how long your press-ons last, and I want to thank all of you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!